Mae diwrnodau gweithgareddau I blant ifanc oedran 11 I 18 neu hinach. Os ydych yn dal I fod yn yr ysgol neu goleg, rydym yn mynd allan ar y bws I wneud gweithgareddau fel bolio neu barcwgwr. Mae hyn yn cŵl gan fyddwch yn gwneud llawer o ffrindiau ac yn medru ei gwrdd eto yn y flynyddoedd. Dyma rai o gweithgareddau gwneudom haf llynedd. It's a beautiful day, isn't it, guys?
Yes.
We've arrived in this castle to have food and messed about, really. And it's really nice to be here with my friends as well. You know what we did?
Bowling.
Yeah, that's it.
Did you like the bowling?
Yeah,
What did you like about it?
good fun.
We did tamping bowling down at the bowling alley.
And did you enjoy it?
Yeah, 'cause I smashed on that tamping bowling and got a better score than him.
Played fun.
Fun and pain all the time. And we go to
Sleep.
sometimes sleeping bad. And play games. And we go on anywhere we want.
Did you like bowling?
Yes.
Who won?
You.
Yes, I did.
Oh no, let's go, mate.
Yeah. What else will we be doing?
Oh, here we go. Don't do me.
Do you know what we're doing?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
You know, the maze.
All the means, yes.
Yeah. You gonna say something at the end now?
What?
Just say something like goodbye.
Goodbye then.
Well done.
Kyle, what's your favourite ride?
Pirate ship.
Why?
Because it's just good.
Okay, Ross, how about your favourite ride?
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
I still haven't repaired the wood.
Train, yeah?
My favourite is bounce and Cheetos.
Why?
You have to repair that wood every year.
Was what I was getting afraid of balls. So I love it.
You're the best, yes, of course.
Yes.
Well, I got three. I got megaphobia,
What's
bam,
having your head out?
and speed because they're really,
We'll
really
make them very extra safe then. We
great
need to put
rides to go
barriers
on,
up
and
against
they're really like faster,
They should.
and plus
like us
they
are
like have a
tall
better
people,
view
they
on
should put
each
a
one.
barrier.
If you had more groups split up, then you could have one group doing one thing and you swap over.
Yeah, you could do, couldn't you? Would you think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
Is there anything else you'd like to see differently if we came back here again next year?
I reckon that they should give us more, as in we depend on ourselves instead of them depending on us.
Right. So, what, you want to go off more by yourself, or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
More with other people instead of a leader coming with you.
Right. So, good. That's a good idea.
Yeah. What have you most enjoyed today?
I enjoyed watching everyone on the pedal boat. That was quite fun because they couldn't figure out how to steer it to begin with, and they got a bit lost but then they managed to find their way and it was good. Thanks for talking to me, Chris.
That's right. Always happy to help.
What ride have you been on today? What ride have you been on?
I've been on Megaphobia.
Really?
Yeah. Speed.
Woo!
Bigger 3D.
Was scary?
Not really. So, what you been doing?
But I've been on Bounce first in the pirate ship, and then I went on Spooky 3D as well. I was scared in Spooky 3D. Whoa, in it.
Okay.
This is what they do.
They can't give the crispy and help you snap. Yeah. Oh, what are you eating? Tristan, do you want a donut? What do you like? I like pedal boats. I like the pedal boats. Oh, good. They are fun, aren't they? Yes. Carefully don't drown when you go aboard. Can you swim? No, I can't swim. I sink like a log.
What would you be doing if you couldn't come on a day like today? Would you be at home with your family?
Yeah, well, I'd be at home watching TV and things, and then I'd my brother if he was in work.
So why is it good to come out for the day?
It's good fresh air for you, and it's good exercise, and having fun with your friends as well. And it's watching TV as well.
So you meet people, don't you?
Yeah.
Meet people and have
Fun.
have fun, and do you make new friends and that sort of
Yeah.
thing?
Mhm.
And what about the other two? What would you be doing if you weren't here? And why do you like coming out?
I like to be with my family. I like coming out of fresh air as an exercise to be with some friends and just hang out and talk.
Larry.
Larry, what about you?
The same, weirdly.